How to copy Facebook profile link. Here's how to copy your Facebook profile link or someone else's right from the app or browser. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app or open Facebook in your own browser. Navigate to the profile you want to copy. This works for your own profile or anyone else's. Step 2. On mobile, you'll see the three-dot menu just below the profile picture. On desktop, it's usually next to the Message or More button. Tap it to open profile options. Step 3. You'll see an option that says Copy Link or Copy Link to Profile. Tap it. The profile link is now copied to your clipboard and ready to share. Just a bonus tip, if you don't see that option on your profile, just go to your profile, tap the share icon, and choose Copy Link. Or on desktop, copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.